Field of 7 here. This is Biawoji for Fresno State in 4. And he's your early leader here. Approaching hurdle 6 there. Biawoji, Grimble right with him. It's Grimble. Grimble coming from behind, and he's going to take it. Kenneth Grimble.